So I'm going to show you here. After this, we'll talk about international trade. Okay. So how does it work? A few points, more for background. Okay. With more money on hand, okay, with more money supply, availability of credit rises, C rises. It's not just cost of credit, availability of credit also plays a part. Okay, so if I go to Courts, I want to buy a new sofa, I get free credit. Okay, so they'll say, okay, you don't have to put any money here, just bring it home. Okay, you pay by installments. That is credit. Or if I want to buy a new car, $1,000 down payment, and I can bring it back. These are all instances where you pay by credit. Okay. Can? So C rises. You can also say with more funds, investment rises. All very direct. You don't go through interest rates at all. When, okay, consumers and investors spend on assets such as properties, owners of these properties feel wealthier. Hence, they spend more. This is the wealth effect. Some of you may have come across in the notes. Wealth effect. Okay. Some money flows overseas in search of higher returns. I should say interest returns. The money is not going to stay in your country because your country is already in the liquidity trap. Interest rates are so near 0%. The money doesn't want to stay here. They flow overseas. What do you call this money flow? What kind of money is this? Hot money. Yes. Do you know what happens when hot money flows out? What happens to your exchange rate? Depreciate. Oh, very good. Depreciates as the supply of the currency rises. Who is not very sure why supply of currency rises? Hot money flows out. Why does supply go up? Anyone not sure? Not so sure, huh? Yeah, because you change for other currencies, right? So your foreign exchange market is like your money changer. If the money flows out from a country, it wants to go into Australia, first, you have to take this money to the money changer, change it for Aussie dollar. Supply of your currency goes up. Very good, Chayan. Okay, so if you're not sure about this, can I just tell you, this is an area that the syllabus has focused quite a bit on in recent years. So if you go on to our notes from, which one? Is it 10th of March? Yeah, 10th of March. Okay, we went through this. 10th March. I drew a money changer, okay? And I explained what affects demand for currency, what affects supply of currency. Okay, so you might want to go back to the 10th March recording. Okay, or 10th March notes on exchange rate determination. Okay, this is an important piece to revise before your mid-years. Any questions? Let me know. Okay, exchange rate determination, cannot pretend this is just for extra info. Okay. 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 So exchange rate depreciates, which means X minus M rises. Wow, it seems like even though interest rates are near 0%, your policy is still quite effective. You are still making a lot of things move. Higher C, higher I, higher X minus M. This one is higher C again, wealth effect. Okay. Can these things be tested? Maybe in a case study. Okay, 2 marks. Explain the wealth effect, perhaps. Okay. The last one, you have to take notice. Points 1 to 4 can lead to some inflation in the country. Do you agree? Higher C, higher I, higher X minus M. I don't want to say a lot of inflation because in the first place, your economy must be really bad. You're in the liquidity trap, yet economy is still weak. Okay? So economy must be doing very badly. Okay? Now, I want to ask you a question. See if you know this. Nominal something something something